You said it, look at what we got. That's all we got.
I can never pronounce the name of this place.
Where we
And it's an institution.
Lechonera La Piraña.
La Piraña.
La Piraña.
And let me tell you something, guys. This place is amazing. Not just because of the food, but because of the owner. It's an experience by itself to come here. It's truly amazing. So warm.
Love.
So wonderful.
This is my house.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, my house is your fucking house.
Look at this. Oh, let's see how this goes.
Damn. Amazing. The sound is amazing.
Look at it. It's just... Oh, man. Finally got my man Fran over here.
Quality.
That is just absolutely wonderful. And
I left, went down the block, came back. The
with his
shoulder,
giant pork
shoulder
shoulder.
all the way to the foot.
The rice, perfectly cooked. Those wonderful flavors.
That's crazy. I forgot about the rice. I'm eating it. I'm not even realizing how amazing it is because the meat is so
The meat
amazing.
is so good.
That's where we roll. Look. That's my rice.
Beautiful chunk right here. Just wonderful.
Wow.
You know what's nice about this also? Not overly salty.
Not salty at all.
No, because sometimes you go to places and it's just overpowering with salt. And people mistake that for flavor. This, moist, it's full off the bone, tender, and it allows you to appreciate
The meat.
the meat itself. This is really something. Definitely, guys, if you can make it out into the Bronx, take the drive, take a visit. The owner will treat you with such hospitality, love.
Mommy and Papi Bob John recipes.
Oh. Are you passing it down to your family?
I'm happy.
You
I'm
happy?
happy. I'm very happy. No, it's true. Because Mommy and Papi show me the way I gotta go. No,
Good
right?
man, good side.
No, it's true. Papi and Mommy don't last forever. Yeah.
Take care of mommy and poppy.
I take care of my mom. Mommy died a long time ago. And I take care of my mom.
What?
I love my mom. Papi sometimes say dog or whatever.
Whatever.
But no, listen. When your papi think good for you, you gotta know him too.
Right.
Know what I want to happen.
Your poppy.
It's your papi.
That's your poppy.
And graciousness. He's just a man.
It's like we were in his house.
Yeah.
He's chilling there. And he's just talking to us and preaching to us about love and respect. And then he's just chopping me while he's preaching love.
With that machete.
Love.
You see how you clean a machete? Look. Yeah, how you clean it like that. Look. It's more like this. Look. You make it sharp, so it's too nice. Look. Like what it is. See how we roll. Look. Come on.
Oh man, I'm making a mess over here. I'm messing up his car.
This is your day. Get loose. Don't worry about it.
Oh, look at this bad boy. Oh, this is sexy.
He showed you the most love there.
Yeah. Man, it was so awesome. That pork skin is where it's at. Without a doubt.
100% cooked perfect. It's not sticky. It doesn't stick to your teeth. It just crumbles.
Sometimes you're feeding for some pork with that beautiful pork skin that you dream about always. You go to a place and then that pork skin is chewy. It just ruins the whole meal. This,
Crunchy. Oh, that was a good one.
that was a good one.
That was a good one.
It was amazing. I only need a nap after this. We can't forget we got empanadas too. We gotta try those out. Yeah. Look at these bad boys right here. Cheers.
Beef. The hell?
Oh my goodness. That's different.
Tell me, is it beef?
Yeah, tomato.
All right.
Wait,
I was hoping it's a shrimp one.
this motherfucker.
What?
Is this shrimp or?
Keep eating. Let me know. Because he's drunk. Let me know, because I can't tell.
I'm about to run into the bodega, get you some Benadryl or something. Like,
Nah, I'm not going to die. Yeah, I can hold it. But what is it?
I'm
Is
sorry.
That's all good. Is it shrimp?
I think this is shrimp.
Huh?
That's shrimp.
Damn, for real?
Yeah.
Hold it then. Yeah, it's all you.
You all right?
So far? All right. Round 2. Beef.
Oh man.
I'm allergic to shellfish.
Yo,
He ordered
my heart just dropped.
3 beef, 2 shrimp. Drunk man.
And 3 beef. Who gonna want you? You know why? You know what I'm gonna tell you? Women's over here, whatever. Because you buy pussy.
Gave us 2 beef, 3 shrimp.
3 shrimp.
Love that. Quality.
And
It's perfect.
the shrimp is absolutely banging. This is absolutely banging.
Was that the shrimp?
Yep. Did you taste anything or?
Oh yeah, I ate it. I ate the whole corner. Delicious.
What happens when you have shellfish? You break out?
My windpipe closes.
You
See
wanna
what
go
happens.
go
It's
to-
gonna be on camera.
Go to the fucking bodega, bro.
Yeah, if I start feeling tingly,
Now I'm scared to death.
I might die. We'll both die. I'll die that you die of being scared.
I'll die of a heart attack because that's what I'm gonna catch. I'm gonna catch a straight up heart attack if I witness that.
We're good. If I feel sign, I'll get Benedict.
Yeah, it's definitely shrimp. Look at that shrimp.
Sign me up for failure.
I really feel sorry that you can't eat this shrimp because the amount of flavor in there, I can taste the
I got to
cilantro,
enjoy it.
the sazon, the cilantro, and the tomato. Oh no, baby, no, don't go.
Yeah, the tomato made it really quality.
That gives it a whole nother level. That tomato base.
He's drunk.
He's drunk and happy.
Drunk and happy.
That's what life's all about.
Some people drink and they lose their mind. You know what I'm saying?
I'm stuffed.
On a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the best. What you got?
Overall, everything,
The whole experience.
the whole experience, 8.9.
8.9.
You can't give a 10. That's a rookie score.
It's because of the whole experience. I felt like I just ate this guy's home cooking. The experience is a 10. The food, I say, yeah, 8.5 I give the food.
All right.
Yeah. The pork was cooked amazing. But, you know, when you cook a pork all the way through, it has its dry parts. And I'm just not a fan of all the dry parts.
Yeah.
So that's why it's not a perfect 10 on the pork. The rice, some of the grains weren't all the way cooked.
Yeah.
But it was deliciously cooked. Just not all the way through. So nothing is a 10 here.
Well, isn't that like a specialty in you know, when it's not like it's or it's
Or
like
like
rough?
a delicacy? Like
Yeah, yeah.
Like al dente?
Yeah.
Nah, not with rice.
Because my boy, he's Puerto Rican, and he's like, yo, that's my favorite part, the crusty part, the little.
No, the
hard part.
crusty part is on the bottom.
Yeah,
that's
I felt like some of it was
that's
the crusty
different.
part.
That's the overcooked part on the bottom.
Yeah.
Some of it was undercooked rice.
Yeah.
But altogether, I say 8.5, 10 for the experience. Amazing experience.
Absolutely, 10
I was
for
in
the
this guy's
experience.
kitchen.
And he was wonderful and sweet.
Love. Gave this guy the bone.
Yeah.
Pause.
Oh yeah, I was digging into that. Pause.
Put the part like this. That means it's well done, man. Yeah. Cheer hard, it's not French. Take that ball right there. Take it. Go. Yeah. Let's do it. Here. All right, take it. Take that ball. That's what I'm talking about. Oh man. Right? That's what you're looking for, right? Mm-hmm. All my life. Listen, when you come to see me, that's how we do it. We keep it real all the time. I'm sorry. All the time we keep it real.
Sorry, I can't share this with you.
No, enjoy it, man. Okay, man, it's your day. That's 9 nights, man. No, that's 9 nights. Listen, when you gotta find every children.
How do you think about this?
You do 7, look at what we got. That's all we got.
That pork was perfectly cooked.
Yeah.
It was moist.
The skin.
The skin was out of
The
this
skin
world.
is a 10.
The skin is out of
skin
this
is a 10.
freaking world. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe.
Thank you for the support. Y que Dios te bendiga. God bless you. Chao.